Hi friends, today's visit is to one mango orchard. Now we have taken entry in the mango orchard. Now how to you can say plant this mango in your orchard by taking 30 feet distance between each lane, and the distance between each and every mango tree's pits should be not less than 30 feet. So 30 by 30 feet taking distance, you have to plant such type of mango trees, and between them consider that you can take crops of mirchi, bottle gourd, and other such type of plants production you can take between this 30 feet distance. Means tractor can be easily you can say driven through these distances, and as they will grow and up to you can say 5 to 6 year they will take for fruiting purpose, and till that period you can take so many types of crops, just like chilies, tomatoes, potatoes, you can say groundnuts. Such type of a production you can take between these plants gaps. So what about pits? Pits, whenever you means you can say plant such type of types of qualitative mangoes, you have to means you can say dig pits of 5 feet deep, 5 feet width and 5 feet length, and fill them by you can say compost or vermicompost, soil plus sand, and then plant. For ever there is no need to give such type of you can say material of compost or else minerals. Now we are in the you can say that nursery. Now you are looking this nursery. Here plants are of you can say 2 to 3 years, but they are grafted by taking science of 8 to 12 months. Though they are old, but by cleft method they have done these graftings, and we are under the roof of that polyhouse. Though these graftings are under the polyhouse, but for maintaining temperature they used these caps. You can use simple caps also, but though they are professional, they use these Pepsi caps, and Pepsi caps are easily available in the market as well as on Amazon. You can purchase them. So those who are new viewers, they have to click that bell icon. That means you have to subscribe my channel, by which you will get new notification in future. And what about old videos? You have to go in my video playlist. How? Whenever you see my video, there my name you will see below the video. You have to click that name, and you will get video playlist name. Some names are there will be some names, and you will see the video playlist, and click there. You will get all types of means you can say videos, where you can see more than 280 videos. Now these are the you can say saplings, grafted saplings of custard apples. Now we are in the mini polyhouse. You can also prepare at your home such type of a mini polyhouse. There is no much more you can say expenditure for that. Within 5,000 rupees, even you can prepare it by paying 2 to 3,000 rupees. And if you have a rough material like just like steel rods or angles, so you can also prepare on your own already. Only you have to purchase polythene. But you have to use such type of thick polythene for covering topmost layer, but you should not touch that polythene to the ground. It must be above the 1 feet above the ground level. Such a way you have to cover these half circle steel rods. What about the incoming and outcoming door? You are looking incoming and outcoming door. That is a curve portion, half curve portion. And you should means you can say gives green net or white net also you can use for going or coming air throughout. Means air should means play within that polyhouse. So such a way that space should be airy. For that you have to attach green net or green net towards the entry gate as well as outer gate, such a way light will also easily go through that. You can say transparent polythene already, so this polythene should be transparent, but two nets are necessary for opening, and you can see entry gate and exit gate. So such a way, see here we are looking this small poly house under this big poly house. So dear friends, you can also prepare at your home, I don't like to repeat it. And such a way, after grafting plants, though they are doing their grafting under big poly house, but at last they kept this, you can say, mango grafted seedlings or plants inside this small poly house. These are the, you can say, cups or you can say pots, which can be available in the agricultural shoppe at district level. You will get easily. You will get the best result. That is means potting plate where you have to pour coco peat and you can take production of any plant, any seedling plants. Now we are doing this V-shape grafting on 1 year old plant by cutting it from ground level to below 2 feet. You have to cut it and feed that scion. Now see how she is, means you can say winding that polythene from top to bottom. The length of that polythene should be about 1 feet. Now this is wedge cut, or it is also called V-shape cut. Now the cut should be about 4 to 5 centimeter. Even you can cut it for 3 centimeter. There is no need such type of, means you can say the portion should be slant and should be continuous. There should be no uneven cut. Now see here how that woman is cutting and fitting V-cut on that green, dark green part of that plant. The plant age is about 1 year old. So such a way you have to insert inside. The vertical cut should be of 4 to 5 centimeter and the V-shape cut should be 4 centimeter. On 1 centimeter less cut you have to give on wedge shape. Now such a way, this is also art how to, means you can say wind or wrap this polythene. And after that, second is, this is the hardwood. The age of this tree is about 2 years and that is the hard portion. Now she has taken out hardwood plus bark from the side, and the cut is of, you can say 10 to 20% she cut from one side. That cut portion is of 3 to 4 centimeter, and she has inserted this scion in the side and tightly wrapped that polythene. And as we are looking these scions, how these scions are now. So they are using simple scions, instant scions and the sand. They did not defoliate it on the tree, but as that is the poly house template.